Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TGGI. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not familiar with what I mean by 60-minute, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 1 hour's worth of time. And the reason I wanted to do this time frame is I think you can extrapolate more data from the chart. Real quick, I won't call the daily chart worthless, but all the daily charts really telling us is chart came to life here and then exploded upwards. But besides that, as far as resistances and such go, I think we can do a little bit better and make it easier to see down here on the 60-minute chart. So I'm just going to start first at the resistance and put an asterisk next to this resistance, as while it is technically a level of resistance, this is just a level where essentially time ran out on the day, therefore that's where the price ended. You know, if the market was open another hour, I'm sure this would have went higher, but for the time being, 0009 is the resistance on the chart, but you know, put that little asterisk there as kind of just a time ran out type resistance. The more important part for this one is going to be supports, and the key level of support, or I should say key levels. There's not really one in particular, but what I want to do is just make a support zone. So we'll change these to green to represent the zone here. So the top of that zone is going to be at 0006, and then the bottom of it is going to be 0004 down here. And this just simply comes from, you can see 0004 acted as support for a couple hours in a row, and then when it was broken, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically 7 hours in a row the bears were trying to push back down through here but could not do it. So 0004 really cemented itself right here as a very important level of support. And then up here 0006, you can see the bears were trying to keep the bulls at bay for quite a while, and then when the price did finally break above it, you can see here a great example of a resistance turning into a support. So a nice action there. So that's why I say 0006 to 0004 is that key zone. If you wanted to call them individual levels, that's fine too. But point being, as long as the price, you know, if it comes down here, as long as it hovers between this area before heading back up, you'd still have a very clear high or low, and that's the name of the game with this one. So nice looking chart here. It'll be interesting to see how the rest of this week transpires, but again, you know, if this volume keeps up, I don't see 0009 standing very long as a level of resistance, and then hopefully it'll continue building these stair steps like it's been doing. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself and your education as a trader and check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was TGGI. Thanks for listening.